Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo, here on a Friday afternoon on Valentine's Day, just chilling. Let me reload this camera and see if this works a little bit better here. Just give me 1 second. All right, it really didn't help. Let me see this. Let me delete this one and this one. Come back to this one. See if it's any better. Yeah, it is better. Great. Pro Trader Mike. Hi, everybody. Coming in crystal clear now. That was beautiful. I'm glad I did that reset. This is the main screen I have right here. Doing a little trading right now in the afternoon. I'll leave my thing on this side so you can possibly see them trades and what we got going on. And same thing on the MOJO Day Trade room. Right here we got that YouTube chat going on. It seems that there's a person already in the YouTube chat, guys. It's amazing. Right here, I already got 2 dislikes and two likes and 1 dislike, and I didn't even start my show yet. So the person who did that, you lost a lot of money trading in the stock market. You're not like Mojo right now. You don't got JDST at 1023 right now, selling 500 shares at 1024 with a pending order. You don't have that up $55. You don't have UVXY 200 shares at 83, selling 100 at 84, wishing that was you. You don't have that for a profit. You don't have NVAX at 748, 100 shares at 772, already opened 24 on that. So on a little teeny tiny trading account, this one I open up, just here and there, just to do some trades right here, made a nice $292 so far trading on that, just on a little bit of account equity and some buy-in. Here's what I closed out so far, just in the Moshish room. A nice pick on JDST. They alerted me right there on the room. I picked it up there from the guys in the room. We have a great team. Made $282 just off these last couple of trades on JDST right there. There's the 2 likes that I got. That's unbelievable. Congratulations for the guy that lost all his money trading and all he does is wait for me to go live because he can't find another job and he's desolate, desperate, disgruntled, and all he does is get satisfaction by doing a dislike. Dude, knock yourself out, dude. You know what's going to happen if you ever reload your account? Bad karma is going to sweep over you for all the dislikes, and every time you dislike, you're going to have a losing trade. It's like a voodoo doll. You know what I'm saying? Every time you dislike, this guy right here is going to give you a losing trade. So just remember, all you guys out there that do the dislikes, I didn't even start my show. You dislike, you're all you haters. Congratulations. We're also happy we're not you in the Mojo Day Trade room. So NVAX we bought right here, had 200 left at 748. You all wish that was you, and we're up 24 cents. So we're doing kicking ass, nice action in the Moshish room. Let's see what else we got going on. You made 1,294 in JDST alone today. Great job, Ed. That's the way to be, buddy. Oh, shut up, Remy. Don't make me get up, Remy. Let me get my dog. Hold on. Be right back. Hey, Remy! Remy! Remy, that's not happening, buddy. Not happening. Alrighty. Dog issues and problems. All right, so let's see what we got. We got JDST, 1024. I got 500 shares pending for sell right there at 1024. I just got executed at 1024, filled. NVAX, sell the last 100 right there, out. All you got to do is press this button. That's it. Now the button sells it. All you got to do is double click on the symbol. It loads it right in there. Someone's at the door. I'll be right back. Nice, guys. Nice. That was my Valentine's. Came to the door. Hope you hooked up all your ladies with the Valentines, guys. I got my little card this morning with the doggies on it. So sweet. Many hugs. And I got my chocolates, my happy stovers. I love these babies. Oh, some have already been eaten. That wasn't me. Oh, eaten and put back. Clue, it wasn't me. Because I don't like coconut. I know who that was. Let's see. This one. That's a good one. So happy Valentine's Day, ladies. See what else we got going on. JDST 24.25. Made a beautiful move up. See what it did here. We caught it on the first two bars at 10:15 right there in the MOJO Day Trade room. As an afternoon gift. UV ain't doing nothing. And not already sold UV at 11. Let me show you why you take profits. So I come in right here. We did a great job on GNPX today for anybody who wanted to trade that. This demo guy right here on GNPX, just on the demo trader 59, made 25 cents on that $4.15 stock. He made 80 bucks. That's a pretty damn good thing. He made a quick 60. I think that was him maybe. He sold it. It went a little lower. I was telling him to sell it up there at 80, but he did really good. Picked up a quick, that's Pro Trader David, new to the room, on demo 59. Here's JDST for a trade right here off $10. See how solid that was? Bam. New swing picks will be out Sunday or Monday, depending upon what I got going on for the weekend, guys, because we have off Monday. It's President's Day. So stay safe. Use the time off to decompress, as next week, Tuesday, we're going to start all over again. Mike, you are one great, awesome teacher and trader. Thank you, David. Appreciate that. Mind if I save that for a little testy? Thank you, my friend. Always liking people like good things about Mojo. Today is 2/14. Appreciate that. Thank you. Let's see here. We did real good on that one. And here we did this trade. Here was the trade he calls out right here. There wasn't even me. I'm just sitting back. And Alpha, he's been with the room for over 4 years. Knows how to sit back and do Hines all day long. Tells me about Hines in this at 7. So you know what we do? we do a Heinz 7, guys. We buy 94 entry, we add 97, and then we start selling 7. It went 703, didn't get filled, so I canceled, put it at 701, didn't get filled, canceled, put it at 7, didn't get filled, and I just hit 7 market order, 697. And right now, that stock is 671. So if you wouldn't have sold it on this move up right there, you suffered and didn't take your profit, and the market ate your money back. So when it surges up, you sell half the position, you maximize, trail the rest, and that's the end of the game. Here's the definitions of the trading, guys, okay? When the stock surges up, you see it? It surges up, you sell half right there. You bought it here. Whatever the surge is, it gives you, whether it's a nickel and a dime on a small or a quarter and a 50 on a large, you sell half. Where you sold half right here is your trail stop. So if it reverses right here, you're out. But if it tends to go higher, you increase the trail stop. So every 10 cents it goes higher, increase the trail stop by a nickel. All right, now it goes higher again, and then it reverses about right here, and it stops you out. So you sold the first one here, you sold the next one here, you didn't catch the ultimate top, you didn't probably catch the ultimate bottom, but you made 2 beauties in between. So you buy here, it goes up, sell here, it goes higher, trail it up until it goes up and reverses, and then it just knocks you out right there. Okay, out of 10 trades, out of 10, 8 will go lower. 2 will continue to go higher. You'll only remember the 2 that go higher. You'll never remember the 8 that went lower. You always take your profits, okay? So let me show you what happened in the MOJO Day Trade room. So you always take your profits like I did there on IMGN. And then UVXY came. So he says, UVXY touched 1011 Heinz, see, feel, and trust with a large ass. So I said, I like it. Let's do a Heinz. 91, 92, 93. Okay? 94, 95. Sold half of it. Heinz 11 sold it all right there. So if you didn't sell it all right there, it came all the way back down to where you bought it and even lower. And then we bought NVAX. He said, look, NVAX for the mini. I didn't even say it. He did. That was a fun Heinz on UV. Let's do another one for the afternoon. Definitely. And then he gave out NVAX through 750. I got it at 48 on 2,000 shares, and we rode that baby up beautifully. Alan picked CC today. UVXY is moving, dropping. I got it at 80. It's 84. JDST. All right, I'm out of JDST. UVXY. I'm out of UV. Flat on everything. Just sold it all. Just get flat on everything. Let's see what I finished up here on Valentine's afternoon in just a couple of minutes of trading. So it doesn't matter who you are, guys. You can come in right here. Made $372.50. Made $372.50. So anybody could come in and do that, and then you could see the trades when I started. Here's the trades for the trade. I'll give my own trade review so you guys can see how I trade with my own trade review. Anyone could come into the MOJO chat room, get me on. I'm on the mic all day till 4 o'clock. Been doing this since 2012, 8 years now. I'm the only day trader that stays in the trenches all day long. Warrior shuts it down after the first trade, done in the morning, 10 o'clock religiously. All the other rooms have swing trading and use charts and really aren't in the trenches. This is how you day trade. You can come in and do this anytime you want. And it's all for the Heinz trade play to roll through an even number. You ready? 694, 697, sold 7. Okay? sold 7 and sold 697 because it didn't get filled at 703. Good trade, Heinz. Then NVAX through mini, bought 750, bought 750, bought 750, bought 744, sold a little bit at 49, a little bit at 54, a little bit at 56, a little bit at 65, a little bit at 72, and a little bit filling the last at 68. So you could see I wrote it up, wrote it up, wrote it up, wrote it up, wrote it up. It went to 72. It reversed. I'm out at 68 trades over. Okay, so this NVAX right here, super mini Heinz trade, I give that an A kind of plus because of how I wrote it out for the maximization all the way to the top. So then you have UVXY for a Heinz trade. Just an entry right here at 91. I was going to add higher or lower. I added lower at stopping station, firmed it up, added at stopping station, and sold back where I bought the 73. I was trading the 500 shares, holding the original core. So I bought at 73, sold at 79, sold the rest at 80, and didn't lose any money on that trade on UVXY whatsoever. Then he gave the signal for the breakout on JDST off bouncy 18, got it right there, added another because it wasn't showing any kind of weakness, and then sold that at 23 and higher and made money on that and finished with $327. Hold on. Where is my thingy? Where is it? User info. Right here, 372 close on that sucker. Trading those picks right there. There it is, $372. Not too shabby. For how long of time? Ed G, you're the only guy talking. I'll turn off my YouTube chat. Nobody's talking on YouTube. So this came from 1405. I came in for an hour. 1 hour's worth of trading, guys. 1 hour. Anyone, whatever business you're in, you own a restaurant, you are a sales guy, you're a doctor, dentist, lawyer, any profession, construction, go take an hour out of your day, relax, you deserve it. Make more doing this than you do in your other job in hours. You can just come here for a half hour, an hour, do a sit and go, do 1, 2, 3, 4 hands of Heinz. You're done, dude. Everything is Heinzing at any given time in the stock market. There's thousands and thousands of stocks. And there's a lot of them doing a lot of volume and moves. Twitter, Apple, Facebook, UGAZ, DGAZ, JDST, RAD, Tilray, CGC. You name them, they're doing them, man. GNPX just dropped like a rock stone. So thank you, man, for watching my Mojo show. Appreciate that. Absolutely. Let's see what we got here.
So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question. It will reply. There the answer comes.
You're the man! I've been looking for this for weeks.
All right, so good day, everybody. We had a nice morning this morning. If you watch Trade Live this morning, check out my YouTube. YouTube.com. Right here, you could see Mojo's live right now. Mojo, happy Friday, Valentine's Day. I'm live. You can subscribe to my channel. Check me out. Got 7 people watching right now. Happy with that, man. All 7 are in my mojo room. They like to see my face because they hear me talking all day. It's nobody new. It's the same people over and over and over. But I'm good with that because that's how I go and roll. Right here, 5 years, 5 years, 7 years. He's been with me for 5, for 5, for 7, 4, 6, 5, 4, 4, Meteor Man. Let's see who else is in here. Mike D, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4 years, 5 years, 3 years, 5 years, 8 years. Alan left already for the weekend. He was the first guy in. And then you got 40 pro traders that are with me a year and less that are still in the course that have not graduated yet to become master traders. And the room is really structurally laid out perfectly. The pro traders learn from the master traders. The master traders get all the mijizzle from me. It's a beautiful pod. Like Jordan teaches. See what I got on that. Dow Jones stocks flatten with NVIDIA, boost chips and Expedia rockets. Jordan, right here, one of my best. Right there, talking, one of his best. Keep it up. Just gets better. Better ask somebody. Markets are closed Monday, Washington's birthday. Monday, February 17th. Next year, it's on the 15th. Then on April 10th, on Good Friday, we have off on April. And then again in May. And then again in July. And then we have a couple break off until September. So if you watch my Twitter this morning, it did great. My feed with the picks that I had thrown out. If you watch that live Mojo show from this morning, really great trading. Really absolute fantastic. Nobody does that. I challenge anybody to show who does it. You know who you'll get? You'll get something like this. Let me show you. Let me go to YouTube. You'll get, this is my channel. I'm live. I do everything, dudes, on the channel. So right here, you'll get, let's say, Patrick. This is what you'll get. So follow and trade with Patrick Weiland. And you got no setup, no trade day. So no setup, no trade. What are you, out of your mind? No setup, no trade? I've never heard of such a thing. Day trading live, so much green. Dude, I've never heard of such a thing, ever. He claims to be the #1 day trading channel because he put the title up himself, he said, and nobody else is challenging him. Well, I challenge you again, because how can you be #1, dude, and you can't even get into the ring? Get your demo account set up. You and I will go live head to head. I'll give you my feed. I'll come on your show. You can come on my show, and let's trade for an hour head to head. Let's hear people listen to you trade. Let's hear people listen to me trade. I'm ready. Let's go. Please accept the challenge. You're not #1. I'm #1. Let's see how you've got more subscribers because you're big on Instagram and other things you do, but you only have 1,000 videos. I have 2 times as many videos as you, dude. I've got only 3,000 subscribers. See? But my videos, I've been doing it a lot longer. So I'm actually the #1 guy. I have how many in my playlist? I have 1,000 on this playlist. I have 1,000 on this playlist. 9 on this, 21 on this, 13 on this. I have about 2,000 videos now. Double everybody. So Patrick, you didn't even trade today. Warrior, you could follow this guy. He does his videos too. Let's see what he did. You're following him. He gave his watch. And let's see. Videos. Oh my goodness gracious. He lost 4,000 yet. So you would have lost your account yesterday. 1,200 after giving back my profit. Well, you probably would maybe have won or lost that day. See what else? Well, he made money, but that's not right. He made back the 4 grand right there. He's up 25 grand. Must have been a big trade right there. Down 2.9, down 6, up 23. He's all over the place. No mark of consistency. Doesn't sleep good at night. So, Mojo, I challenge anybody to show me how consistent amount of losing in the room. It doesn't happen. I'm willing to see it. DGLY, $1.40 entry this morning. It didn't even go up. High scalp, lost a nickel. IMGN, I stuck it out at 640 this morning. It went up 67 cents from that to 707. BLIN looked good in the pre-market at $1.85. It's now at 58. It's gone up nothing. The pre-market was the high. ONCY at 279 is now 58. Down 14, went as high as 65, did nothing. BCLI 580 is 514, went as high as 79, nothing. CPRX at 5 is 479. Every one of them is down. Today was not a good day for the watch list. And there's 240 days to trade in the year. Not 250, I don't believe. What's his name said there was 250 yesterday. But there's not. If there's 12 months and 20 trading days every month, 12 times 2, 24, 240 days. Isn't that right? Let's see. So you got 20 times 12. Yeah, 240 days, man. Yeah, some days you may have 3, but like this month, I think there's less. I think there's less this month. If you go into the chat room, let's see what the results, how many days there are in this month. There's 20 days this month to trade. 20 days. So check out the challenge this weekend. Love anybody to come in and get on the same platform. We can trade on the same platform. I'll give you the demo. If you want to challenge me in trading live, we can do like a heads up in the afternoon on Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. Any of those days, give you a day to get used to the platform and even trade on it. And let me know when you're ready. And dude, we'll bang it out, man. I'll get off my live account right there. I'll get on a demo with you, and same dollar amount, same restrictions, open board for any kind of stock you want to trade. And let's do it, man. Ready. We'll put a whole betting thing on it. My whole room will be in on the action. You could take the bet, get your guys. My whole room will take the action. You can get your guys with the action, and my room will take the action with me. Let's see what this guy's got to say, okay? Let's see what this guy's got to say. Wooly. Mike, I finished the course. I learned a lot in the course. I should say I learned almost everything I need to know in day trading. This is a lot of work, and I want to thank you for sharing this knowledge. Heinz is something incredible. This is the magic ingredients that any chef would like to find. Ready for 2018 course. Thank you, Mike. Oh, so beautiful, dude. See? So beautiful, dude, right? I didn't even read. That was last Sunday, brah. Bros. That was last Sunday, man. That's a Wooly. Testy. Wooly's writing me something else, guys. What's Wooly writing? Wooly's writing something, dudes. What does Nick got to say? Nick's going to do a glossary, guys. Definitely not. If you do, you're banned. Definitely not. If you do one time and I find out, you're banned from all of Mojo. If you reach out to any traders in the room and ask them anything or do that, you're banned from the room. That's it. Done. I told you right here, right here. He's going to work every day. He's going to get a glossary that he wishes he had so he knew what the terms were. I said, that's a good idea. Do that. Make a list of words so I could work with you together and we could do better teaching you. And then he got all off and now he wants to talk to other fucking people again. This guy needs to go. I'm sick of it, Nick. I am totally sick of it, dude. I am 100 over the top sick of it completely. It's like I tell my guy, boy, dude, no chewing gum during baseball and leaving the game. Dude, give me the gum, throw it in the garbage. And then he freaking doesn't want to give it to me. And then he stops after he throws it out and pulls another gum out of his bag and sticks it in his mouth. Just like, dude, you're like way out there, dude. You don't even listen. You don't hear what I'm saying. You don't follow directions. So what do you say when people do? No one will. Because you ask them. Nobody will. Nobody will. Only way they will is if you reach out to them first. And if you do that, and I find out, you're done. You're banned from all Mojo. And that's it, dude. So you ain't going to be one guy out of 12,000 that bucks my system and does shit differently. It ain't happening. And he's never connected to the voice. I bet he's not connected again. Look, he's not even fucking connected again. So, dude, you're not even connected to my voice. Oh, he's done. Why? Explain. Explain to me why you can't be connected to the voice underneath my name where you was before. It doesn't make sense. Okay. Larry, don't talk to him anymore. Larry is not going to get Larry. All right, let me find him. Pro Trader Larry, right here. And I already told him, don't bother with you. Look, I said, dude, I sent Nick a message to give him a hand. Don't waste your time, but thank you. I thought I'd give him a hand. He doesn't even know he has a mic. He's a waste of time. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't ever talk to Nick. Thank you. Done. So, try me, dude. I dare you. I'm confused with something. Sorry for asking. Let's say the stock starts the day at 455 and goes to 90. No, it's not a Heinz. It came from too far down the block. Done. I don't have to read the rest. I'm asking because I heard in the course 5, you said, prove me you lost on a Heinz trade for the day. It's wrong. It came from down the block. If it started at 90 and didn't start the day at 55, it would have gone through. It trekked up 45 cents, 10% move already on the stock. So prove me wrong. You never did. Okay. Next. Prove lower volume, start at 50. If a stock starts at 585 and then goes to 90, not Will it Hines 100 if they $100 if they start the day at 553. No, it's too far down the block. Thank you. Okay, no. It could go 585, start the day. It could go up, down, down, test the bottom, up. Right here could be a possible re-Hines trade for one way only, reprice if wrong, and it could go test the top. That would be considered a Hines trade because that's green on the day. Could go re-Hines. We've done that many times on JDST and a lot of other great stocks. But if they come from too far down the block at 30 or 50 and now they're at 90, I wouldn't even touch it. What I would concentrate on is only looking now at 97 plus. There is no 85. There is no 90. And there is no 95. Do you understand? Clean up the Hines trade like I have. Shove one shot of 1,000 shares right at 97 plus and start ripping the catch up. That's your new play for the new system, and I just shared it with you rather than everybody else. Only a couple of people. $97 plus one shove. Larry, not talking to Nick anymore. Please take a look at UNT stock. Okay. UNT. 32 cents by 33 cents. Moving up on the 2 minute. Okay. Let me look at it on the daily. UNT on the daily looks okay. Looks good on the 2 minute bar. I don't buy 33-cent stocks, so there it is. I want to kick him so bad. Restrain. Looking at TV right here. Take 100 TV, 39.37. No risk here. See that one, guys? That's a good one. Put one in at 27. I get some more 39. Now it's 40. 41. NVAX came down a little bit. That was a good one. IMGN 670, GNPX 4. These are all just going sideways now. Nothing in these. IMGN sideways up top. That's scary. And INO sideways there. And now going down. DGC did good today. This one also going sideways. So I'm good. Glad I was able to come in, hook up with you guys for the afternoon, man. Glad I was hooking up with you guys. Still right. JDST just hanging out up there now. Nothing's going on, guys. All in all, it's a slow day. I'm glad I just at least got to hang out with you. So check out that MOJO Day Trading Challenge if you wouldn't mind. We got 15 minutes to the close. I'm not really expecting much to be happening right here. Ooh, look, TBIX just dropped. Oh, 15. Beautiful. There we go. Beautiful. Even taking one more here. 500 I own now. Beautiful. We do got some action. Right back to 23. That was a bad trade, man. So I'm just gonna sell it. It's at 32. I own it at 26. I'm just gonna sell it. Done. I got it at 18. Got it at 39. It's not even 39, so most people would have lost. I got my other at 18, and I just sold it at 29.32. No harm, no foul. Made $393 today from 372. Just upped it a little bit more. So listen, guys, pace. Keep it profitable. Have a great weekend. Good time off. I'll see you on Tuesday for a pre-market roundup. Ooh, I like that. A pre-market roundup. Pre-market roundup. Yeehaw. Giddy up, baby. So listen, thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend. Peace. Keep it profitable and be safe. Pro Trader Mike out. Later.